Gold miners, ticker symbol GDXJ. In this video, we're going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1 hour chart. We remain in negative MACD and we're at oversold levels with the RSI. As we extend that to the 4 hour chart, we remain in negative MACD and we're at oversold levels with the RSI as well. If we extend that further to the daily chart, we remain in negative MACD, we did see it diverge, and we're approaching to oversold condition with the RSI. As for the trade idea of the week, my position size is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $43.10, and that is this range here. My sell target is at $46.80, and my stop loss is at $41.93. And on the other hand, for my entry into my short position, that is at $48.04, and that is this range here. My sell target for it is at $44.34, and my stop loss is at $49.34. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below. If we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, gold miners has a 38% chance to climb between 0 to 5.4% and a 13% chance to climb between 5.4 to 10.8%. And to the downside, it has a 38% chance to fall between 0 to negative 5.4% and a 13% chance to fall between negative 5.4 to negative 10.8%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.